This video is the iStradaView app for the concrete producer. Once the app is downloaded off of the Google or Apple store, you'll simply click the app, you put in your login credentials, and the first thing that you will notice is the dashboard with the pie charts. You'll see you get your information from your different plants. In this instant, plant 1 and 2. You can see what's been loaded and what is remaining. You can also come up here. This is where you'll click to see your tickets. So if you're on the job site and you want to see what tickets have been batched, then you'll simply click tickets, and then this will bring up your tickets for today. These are all of the tickets that have been batched for today for plants 1 and 2. Now, from here you can search your plants or search your tickets by let's see, you can search them by order, PO number, ticket number, several different ways to search your tickets here. You can also double click the ticket and you can see this is where you'll get the ticket information. So here you have the order number, what the project is and the job. You'll have the mix ordered and delivered. If you want to see batch weights, you can click the batch weights and see the batch weights. Water details are here as well. So if you want to see what's been on, what water has been added, you can see that as well. If you need to print the ticket for some reason, you can hit the print. And if you want to send the ticket to maybe someone in the office, you can send the ticket right here as well. You can include the batch weights or not include the batch weights. So this has been a quick demo of the iStradaView app for the concrete producer.